This is Channels Television's breaking news.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang ke TV9 bersama Boy berita pada hari ini. Hari ini, sebagai pelajar KK Ampang di sedunia, saya akan menceritakan tentang data communication and network. I'm going to talk about in English, so get ready, get prepared, and let's start the show. First, we need the inside scope. So, the communication and network have three parts. We call it data communication, network, and protocol. Networking have two. We call it WAN and LAN. WAN also have circuit, packet switching, ATM, and frame relay. And LAN have internet, token ring, and wireless LAN. In data communication, have data transmission, transmission media, data encoding, data communication, interface, data link control, and multiplexing. And for the protocol, we have two things. OSI, which has 7-layer reference model. I will talk about that later. And TCP/IP, which is an internet transport application. And last one is security, talking about the protocol of saving data without leaking anything. So we're going to take you to the next one. For our next topic for today, we're going to talk about networking. At first, we're going to talk about data communication. Now we're going to talk about networking. Networking always going to be point-to-point communication, and it's usually not too practical because of that we cannot have the device too far because the connection will be slow, and you need a large set of device to connect one for each part, so the data cannot be lost or like slow sending. The solution is communication network. Alright, we're gonna talk about wide area network, which is called WAN. Why we use WAN is because there are large geographical area that can be covering all the parts that we usually unreached. Second one, we almost rely in part of common carrier network circuits, which is like on phone or SIM card, whatever you call it. We also using alternative technology. First, we use circuit switching, packet switching, frame relay, and asynchronous transfer mode, or we short called ATM. Now I will give my news to my new co-worker, Amer.
Saya Abdul, dan saya akan sambung yang Boy terangkan tadi ya. So today I would like to present about circuit switching. Circuit switching is dedicated communication part established for the duration of the conversation. For example is telephone network. So apa yang kita boleh rumuskan tentang circuit switching ialah dia hanya boleh menghantar data kepada satu orang saja. Okay. Order is packet switching. Packet switching is data sent out of sequence. Small chunk packet of data at a time. Packet pass from node to node between source and destination. And he use for terminal to computer and computer to computer communication. Okay. Next is family. Family has packet switching system have large overhead to compensate for error. Next is he has modern system are more reliable. Error can be caused in end system, and frame relay is the most overhead for error control is tried out. Apa yang kita tahu, frame relay ni ada dekat dalam ATM. So ATM tu apa? ATM tu ialah asynchronous transfer mode. Asynchronous transfer mode, atau lebih senang kita faham ATM, he has evolution of frame relay. Macam saya cakap tadi lah, dalam ATM ni dia ada frame relay, dan ATM ni dia boleh hantar banyak tempat dalam satu masa. Okay. And he has little overhead for error control. And he has fixed packet call cell length, and he can send data anything from 10 Mbps to Gbps. And last for ATM is constant data rate using packet switching technique. Next is ISDN ataupun maksud panjangnya is Integrated Service Digital Network. ISDN is designed to replace public telecom system, and it has wide variety of service and entirely digital domain. And another that is local area network. Local area network has smaller scope. For example, in building or small campus. Local area network usually owned by the same organization as attached device, and he has data rate much higher. Usually local area system ni dia banyak digunakan dalam broadcast system lah. Okay, and now some switch system and ATM are being introduced. Next saya akan pass kepada pembaca berita seterusnya, Maziz.
Okay, my name is Maziz. Okay, the next kita akan masukkan circuit switching. Okay, firstly, indicated communication part together for the duration for conversation. Okay, is telephone network. Okay, so the next packet switching, data sent out or sequence. Second, small chunk packet of data at the time. Third, packet passed for the node to node between source and destination. Okay, fourth, used for terminal to computer and computer to computer communication. Okay, the next is frame relay. Packet switching system have large overhead and compensate for errors. Second, order system are more reliable. Third, error can be caught in an system. Most overhead for error control is stripped out. Okay, next, acronym transfer modes is ATM, evolution for frame relay. Third, little overhead for error control. Okay, fourth, fixed packet collector. The next, 3 layers modeling. Okay, first, network access layer. Okay, second, transport layer. Okay, third, application layer. Okay, for the next network access layer is exchange of data between of the computer and the network. Okay, second, sending computer produce address of destination. Third, may avoid level of service. Fourth, difference of type of network use LAN and each other. Okay, transfer layer is renewable data exchange. Second, independent of network being used. Third, independent of application. Okay, for the 3 is application layer. Okay, first, support different user application, and contohnya seperti email and file transfer. Key element of the protocol. Okay, first, syntax. Syntax, data format, signals label. Okay. Second, semantic. 1, control information. 2, error handling. Okay, third is timing. Okay, timing. Firstly is speed matching. Second is switching. Okay. For the next, protocol architecture. Okay. Task of communication broke up into modules. Okay. For the example, file transfer cloud use 3 modules is firstly file transfer application. Second, communication service modular. Third, network access mobile. Okay, contohnya macam kita punya kegunaan tu, kita punya internet akan terus kepada modul kegunaan. Okay. So the next topik kita is TCP or IP control architecture. Okay. First, developed by using US Defense Advanced Research Project Agency (DARPA). Okay, for its packet switching network ARPA and EP. Okay, used by the global internet. Okay, not office model but a working one. Number 1 is application layer. Number 2, host to host or transport layer. Okay, number 3, internet layer. Number 4, network access layer. Number 5, physical layer. Physical layer includes between of the transmission device is computer. Okay, and transmission module of network. Okay, second, characteristics of transmission mediums. Third, signal levels. Fourth, data rate and each other. Okay, network access layer is exchange of data between of end system and network. Okay, number 2, destination address provided. Number 3, invoking service like property. Okay, the next, internet layer IP is system may be acted to different networks. Okay, routing function across multiple networks. Number 4 and number 3, implemented in end system and router. Okay, for the next topic is transport layer TCP, reliable delivery of data. Okay, number 2, ordering of delivery. Okay, for the next topic, application layer. Okay, number 1, support for user application, and contohnya seperti HTTP ataupun SMTP.
Okay, thank you for my news reporter to talk about everything. Now we're gonna talk about OSI model. OSI is an Open System Interconnection, which is short form for OSI, developed by International Organization for Standardization (ISO). It has 7 layers and theoretical system delivered to make. TCP IP is the most de facto standard for this type of delivering data.
Okay, seperti yang kawan saya cakap tadi, OSI model ataupun OSI layer ni dia ada 7 layer. Okay, saya akan bagi tahu 7 layer dia. Okay, antaranya ialah application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link and physical. So cukup 7 layer saya dah terangkan. Okay. Lastly is standard. Standard is required to allow for interoperability between equipment, and he has two is standard advantage and standard disadvantage. For standard advantage, he ensure a large market for equipment and software, and he allow product from different vendor to communicate. Okay, Maziz?
Okay, for the advantage is freeze technology, and second, maybe multi-standards for the same thing.
Alright,
Okay.
that is all for the news for today. Thank you for Maziz and my friend, my co-workers, Amer, for helping for the news for today. Stay tuned for next time for Boy News. I see you soon later.
This is Channels Television's breaking news.